Ever wondered what to cook when the power goes out? When the lights flicker and fail, and the hum of the refrigerator falls silent, it's easy to feel a pinch of panic. But fear not, friends, because a power outage doesn't have to mean a dinner disaster. Let's set the scene. It's unexpectedly dark, the stove is stone cold, and your belly is grumbling like a thunderstorm. But guess what? You're about to become a master of culinary creativity. Get ready to discover 10 easy, no-cook meals you can whip up with simple ingredients. Meal number 1 on our list, the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's a staple for a reason, folks. Slather some peanut butter on one slice, jelly on the other, pressed together, and voila! A meal that's as tasty as it is nostalgic. Moving on to meal number 2, the tuna salad wrap. Simply mix canned tuna with some mayo, add a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and roll it up in a tortilla. It's a protein-packed parcel that's sure to satisfy. Next up, we have avocado and black bean toast. Mash some ripe avocado, toss in a can of drained black beans, add a squeeze of lime, and you've got a delicious spread for your toast or crackers. A flavorful fiesta in every bite. For meal number 4, we have a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer some Greek yogurt, honey, and your favorite fruits in a glass, and you've got a sweet treat that doubles as a nutritious meal. Next, there's the classic caprese salad. Slice some fresh mozzarella and tomatoes, layer them with basil leaves, drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and season with salt and pepper to taste. It's a symphony of flavors that requires zero cooking. Meal number 6, the chicken Caesar wrap. Toss some pre-cooked chicken, romaine lettuce, and Caesar dressing in a tortilla for a wrap that's both hearty and healthy. Coming in at number 7 is the Mediterranean hummus wrap. Spread some hummus on a tortilla, add sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and olives, and you've got a wrap that's bursting with Mediterranean flavors. Meal number 8 is the smashed chickpea salad sandwich. Mash some canned chickpeas, mix with mayo, and add some chopped celery and onions for crunch. It's a vegetarian delight that's as filling as it is flavorful. Next we have veggie pinwheels. Spread some cream cheese on a tortilla, layer with your favorite veggies, roll up and slice into bite-sized pinwheels. A fun and colorful way to get your veggies in. And finally, meal number 10, a refreshing fruit salad. Simply chop up your favorite fruits, toss them together, and enjoy a sweet and healthy end to your meal. And there you have it, 10 delicious and easy no-cook meals to satisfy your hunger during a power outage. So, who knew power outages could be so delicious? We've just explored 10 fantastic no-cook meals, each one simple, versatile, and downright tasty. From the hearty peanut butter and jelly sandwiches to the refreshing fruit salad and the classic canned tuna salad wraps, there's something for everyone. And the best part? All these ingredients can be easily stored for those unexpected moments. Remember, a power outage doesn't mean you can't enjoy good food. With these meals, you'll be prepared and well fed no matter what happens. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.